If you just opened your account or you are just getting started, then you should see the setup wizard when first logging into your account. But if you're not able to find it, then you should be able to get there by going to My Vendio and then My Vendio Handmade, and then just click the setup icon here on the left of the screen. The setup wizard will walk you through importing your Etsy items and the initial setup. First, you need to add your Etsy account to Vendio. So you'll just click the button to continue to Etsy, and you will be directed to log into your Etsy account if you aren't logged in already. Etsy will let you know what permissions you're giving to Vendio to do on your behalf. Just take a look, make sure that you agree, and then just click the blue Allow Access button that you'll see at the bottom of the page. And it's just that simple to add your Etsy account.